Headquartered in Santa Clara, California, Vantis designs and installs custom commercial interiors for a variety of high-profile clients throughout Northern California. With growing demand for their unique off-site design and build approach, Vantis knew that they had outgrown their Excel-based estimating solution. The company was also looking for a better way for their internal teams and multi-trade subcontractors to connect and collaborate. After weighing their options, the company moved to the cloud-based ProEst platform in 2017, giving their workforce a new ability to share information in real time and collaborate on key projects in the pipeline. According to Vantis managers, the transition to ProEst immediately eased pre-construction bottlenecks and gave their estimators the tools they needed to work more productively. In fact, using ProEst, Vantis estimators saw a sizable jump in the number of proposals they were able to complete and submit, an increase of as much as 40% over their previous system. Thanks to ProEst, Vantis employees also enjoy a more flexible work style. Without being tied to an on-site network, teams can work anytime, anywhere. A game changer that perfectly aligns with the company's expectations for growth.